The team at Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, better known as KAIST, has unveiled a humanoid robot that's quickly turning heads with its impressive lower body skills. Imagine a robot that can not only run at high speeds, but also pull off Michael Jackson's legendary Moonwalk. That's exactly what this machine is doing, and the video demonstration released by KAIST's Department of Mechanical Engineering and HuboLab shows just how advanced and versatile it has become. The short clip kicks off with the robot gliding backward in a perfect moonwalk across a conveyor platform, almost as if it had taken lessons from the king of pop himself. But it doesn't stop there. The robot smoothly shifts gears into a variety of walking and running styles. It starts at a casual pace of just under 1 meter per second, picks up speed to 2.6 meters per second, and then pushes itself to a sprint of 3.3 meters per second, which is about 12 kilometers per hour. For a humanoid robot balancing on 2 legs, that's a seriously impressive performance. One of the most fascinating parts of the test is how the robot handles being thrown off balance. In a push recovery experiment, its lower body is kicked and shoved while only its legs, hips, and waist are shown. Instead of collapsing, the robot regains its balance and calmly returns to its walking path. This kind of resilience is essential for robots that will one day need to move through unpredictable real-world environments where bumps and knocks are bound to happen. What makes this machine even more remarkable is its ability to walk blind. Without the help of cameras or vision-based sensors, it relies entirely on internal sensing and learned control. During these trials, it successfully makes its way over randomly placed debris, climbs up and down steps, and even manages to pull off a duck walk, bending its knees deeply while moving forward. The tests also include a straight leg bounding exercise, similar to what athletes use to build power and coordination. The robot performs this in perfect rhythm, showing that it can keep its legs stiff and still generate forward momentum with each bounce. The finale of the video brings back the moonwalk, this time longer and even more precise, as if to underline how finely tuned the control system really is. At 165 centimeters tall and weighing 75 kilograms, the humanoid has been designed to resemble an adult human and can comfortably deal with obstacles like stairs, curbs, and uneven surfaces up to 30 centimeters high. Every key component powering this performance, from the motors to the reducers and motor drivers, was developed by the KAIST team themselves, ensuring they weren't dependent on outside suppliers. The real secret behind the robot's smooth movement lies in its AI controller. Trained with reinforcement learning in a virtual environment, the system was carefully developed to bridge the so-called simulation-to-reality gap, which often makes it difficult to transfer digital training to real-world results. In this case, the researchers succeeded, giving the robot the ability to reliably replicate its training outside of the lab. Looking ahead, the team doesn't just want a robot that can walk, run, and moonwalk. Their vision is much bigger. They're working on expanding its abilities so it can multitask, handling things like walking while pushing a cart or even climbing ladders. The long-term goal is to create versatile humanoid robots with the physical skills needed for industrial environments. Robots that can take on difficult, often dangerous tasks that are tough for humans. For now, though, this KAIST creation has already proven it's more than just a lab experiment. With agility, resilience, and even a bit of style, it's giving us an exciting glimpse into a future where humanoid robots won't just walk among us. They'll move with the confidence and grace of athletes and performers.